Saputri. I'm a student from the Management Department at Unisula Sultan Agung Islamic University Semarang, Central Java, Indonesia. In this video, I'm going to talk about digital HR. I created this content in order to accomplish my English tasks. This is the final project of English subject in this semester, so I really hope that everything will run just well. Also, I'm expecting the best result of this project. The topic given by my English lecture is related to digital HR. So before I'm telling you the points of my content in this video, let me briefly explain what digital HR is. HR itself is item used for recruiting employers in companies. Usually in an organization, human resource is the department in charge of all employees and employee-related operations. As a term, we also use it to describe the entire workforce of an organization. In this HR definition, we will focus on human resource as a business function. Human resource professionals perform a plethora of tasks, including recruiting, managing employee relations, and creating company policies. In small companies, HR generalists perform relevant tasks, where in larger companies, HR professionals called specialists in certain area. Example, searching and hiring, compensation and benefits, HR operations. But then, by the emerging of digitalization, the term of digital HR is kind of getting popular among companies throughout the world. Digital HR is a process optimization in which social, mobile, analytic, and cloud technology are leveraged to make HR more efficient, effective, and connected. In other words, it's a tectonic shift in the way human resource functions. Concerning with digital HR, I'm specifically going to talk about digital HR transformations. Okay. Digital transformation is a methodology that organizations use to implement automation into their business process. For HR departments, historically this meant focusing on process design and scalability to achieve uniformity in HR practice. Contemporary HR departments, however, are tasked with a broader range of responsibility, in addition to optimizing their department's business process. HR also need to focus on optimizing employee productivity, teamwork, and facilitating professional growth. Okay, digital transformation is defined as the transition of a business based on traditionally manual process to business that has technology as its core in all its functions. Internal, employee-facing, operational, and external, customer-facing. Transformation is the outcome of digitization. It is not the process of digitization itself. Digital transformation is a process and an outcome. It is a revolutionary change but also an evolutionary phenomenon. In addition to digitization, the transition to business with technology at its center also entails a shift in the culture and mindset of an organization. Much like every other part of the organization, the digital transformation of HR is essential in an age where technological disruption is the norm. According to a Deloitte survey, digital transformation budgets are going to increase by 25% in the next year. With the advent of artificial intelligence or AI, blockchain, machine learning, automated performance management, and much more, HR teams that still rely on Excel sheets to collect and interpret data need to make the shift to automation and quickly. In this primer on digital transformation, we look at what digital transformation in HR means, what it entails, and the challenge that business face in enabling this transformation in HR. HR digital transformation is the transformation in the way HR function, using data to guide all areas of HR. payroll, benefits, performance management, learning and development, reward and recognition, and hiring. The role of HR teams in digital transformation is twofold. It is responsible for its own transformation using automation and digital data-led process. In collaboration with the IT department, HR is now being asked to lead organization towards digital transformation and support its continual digital evolution. This involves empowering employees with a digital mindset to improve workforce process and enhance productivity. I agree that companies appear to be using technology more to facilitate, speed up, and improve their current human resource practices and procedure, and less to analyze data and plan such analysis. So, with the existence of digital HR, it is very promising if applied. And the benefit of digital HR transformation is 1. Creating the workforce of the future. 2. Ensure better employee experience. 3. Increase accuracy in dashboard and analytics data. 4. Manage the workforce. 5. Efficiency and agility to meet evolving business needs. Based on the article that I read, link on description box. HR digital transformation begins with a change of mindset within the HR organization, prioritizing connectivity, real-time operations, platform automation, and mobile first. For many organizations, both in HR and across the enterprise, this is a revolutionary opportunity. In conclusion, digital transformation aims to create a agile organization that is ready to change as technology keeps advancing. Technology will always be ahead of the curve as organizations try to catch up. The absence of this agility can be one of the reasons why digital transformation strategies fail. That is my argument about digital HR transformations. Thank you for watching till end. If you have the counter argument, you may leave it in the comment section below. See you on the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.